owning the innovation agenda at the CEO and board level is very, very important. One of the things that we've seen a lot of organizations being successful at doing to start the journey is to assess their capabilities vis-a-vis what technology advancements can do for them. So to understand where you stand versus not only your local peers, but also against global peers when it comes to how you manage your people, how you manage your suppliers, how you manage your customers, how you manage your assets. And then how do you have a core that can orchestrate all of these things in a very seamless way. And once you do that, you can understand where the gaps are and try to understand what capabilities you need to acquire and ask yourself the question, if I am to acquire these capabilities, what does that mean for my business processes? And what does that mean for business model innovation and change in my organization?